Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of your review channel. Today we're doing an unboxing and basically a review of this awesome, it's a black toothbrush, okay, made by ATMOKO. And so this is basically a electronic toothbrush. 10 times cleaning effect than a manual toothbrush, which is very important. It has 3 modes. It has a clean mode, a white mode, and a massage mode. Two minutes for your segments of your mouth. So each quadrant is basically 30 seconds. So you do that, it tells you about that. It has 4,000 VPMs, which means vibrations per minute or strokes per minute. It's IP07, which is a water resistance, which is fine, which is really good. Has a charging time around 3 hours to charge a toothbrush totally. Once it's totally charged, it will last approximately 30 days. And that's how this toothbrush kind of works. So let's take a look at it. Let's do an unboxing. Look at it. It does come with 10 toothbrush heads. So 1 toothbrush heads for 3 months. That's what it says. So 1 toothbrush head for 3 months. Actually, that's what it says. So you do get quite a few years out of this. Quite a few years out of each of this whole kit here. And this kit here runs around $25 or so online. So Sonic electronic toothbrush. This is the manual. Okay, so basically you charge it when you receive it. It comes with the heads, multifunction, and gives you all the information in the manual. And that's what's in here. It does come with a charging cable, and you just plug this either into any USB port, or your brick at home, or your iPhone charger, or your computer, or wherever you are, that you can charge it. So that's kind of cool. So if you're on the road and you have your laptop, easy enough to charge, right? Comes with extra heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus the one on the head. That's 10 heads, right? So that's kind of cool. Even if you change it once a month, which is a lot, there's 10 months right there. Okay, let's take a look at this. And there's an actual toothbrush right here. It's black. It's kind of cool looking. I like the feel of it. Feels kind of nice. I like the bristles. The bristles feel kind of cool. All right, I like it. Very, very nice. And you just put the charger underneath there and you plug it in. And that's how you basically charge it. And then you just plug it into your computer or any type of USB port, and that'll pretty much give you an idea. And once it's charged, it'll notify you. So that's kind of cool and very easy. So it has the 3 different modes, like I told you. So the first mode, let's watch and listen. So this mode here is the clean mode. Okay. This mode here is the whitening mode. Okay. And this mode here is the massage mode. So you can see this is vibrating very, very quickly. Okay, so that actually sounds pretty good. It doesn't have a lot of vibration in the handle, which is really kind of nice. Okay, the heads pop off really easy to change, which is really convenient. I like that as well. They pop on and pop off, and they give you a ton of extra ones. So each one of these roughly should last you around 3 months. And you have there a couple of years worth of toothbrush heads. I mean, when you're done, honestly, I would just buy new toothbrushes. They're so inexpensive to buy. You can buy those Sonicare ones. You can buy those other brands out there, and they're very, very expensive. You can be into it for hundreds of dollars when you don't have to be. This is excellent. So we're just going to do a quick test in the water and take a look at the vibration in the water. And let's take a look at that real quick. Let's go. I got the GoPro set up over here for a close-up of the water so we can see that. Okay. So we're going to start first with the clean cycle. Take a look at it in the water. Okay, so it looks really, I gotta pick up the GoPro so you can see better. So you can see here in the water, okay, it's a nice even flow. It's not aggressive, it's just really smooth. It's not vibrating very much in my hand, which is really nice, and it's giving a good clean. I like the effect of it. You can see it looks like it's gonna really clean your teeth really well. It's got a nice, so that's at 30 seconds. So now it told you to move it, so you can see that. Let's go to the next mode. The next one is a white mode. Again, you can see that how it vibrates in the water. I like that a lot too. It's a nice, even, not overly aggressive, not splashing, just a really good electronic. You can see the sonicness, the sonic vibration here is really nice and smooth. And this is the massage. So if you want to massage your teeth, you can do it this way, which is kind of cool. I like that. All right. So I like that. Okay, check that out again one more time. So that's cool. All right, guys. So that's awesome. Let's take that out. All right. So I think this toothbrush, honestly, for the money, you can't go wrong. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and review of this awesome Sonic toothbrush. I think this is really kind of cool. And we're going to check it out. All right, guys. Appreciate it as always. And I'll see you at the next review.